In a vibrant Jamaican town, a Korean couple, Min-jun and Soo-young, arrived with a vision. They had dreamed of starting a garment factory, not just to invest, but to empower the local community. With their savings, they turned an old warehouse into a lively workspace filled with sewing machines and the sounds of laughter. As they began to hire, they met Hillary, a lively 25-year-old with a passion for fashion that was as colorful as her woven afro curls. Hillary worked diligently, weaving the garments into straight, unmistakable stitches, and her creativity brought fresh life to the designs. Within months, the factory thrived. Min-jun and Soo-young could see the joy in the eyes of their workers as they earned a steady wage, providing for their families. Recognizing Hillary's hard work and leadership, they decided to promote her to manager. On her first day in the new role, Hillary addressed her colleagues, her voice steady. "Together, we've built something special," she said, her smile sweet. "Let's continue to create, support each other, and show the world what Jamaica can achieve." As the factory flourished, so did the bonds between Min-jun, Soo-young, and their workers. They didn't just invest in a business. They built a community, weaving dreams and opportunities into every fabric they created.